Good morning, students. Hope you all doing well today. Let's begin our class with something fun. Clap your hands 3 times. Yes, just like that. Now tell me, would you like to write clap 3 times manually in your notebook? Of course not. That's boring and time consuming. Instead, what if we could make the computer do it for us? That's exactly what loops help us do in programming. Today we're going to learn about the for loop in Java. A for loop is a tool in Java that allows us to repeat a task a specific number of times. Imagine you want to print your name 5 times. Rather than writing 5 print statements, you can just use a for loop to repeat it automatically. Let's look at the format of a for loop. It goes like this. For initialization, condition, update, don't worry, I'll explain each part clearly. First comes initialization. This is where we tell Java where to start. For example, int I equals 1 means we are starting the count at 1. Second is the condition. This tells Java how long to keep going. For example, I is less than or equal to 5. Third is the update. This part changes the value of I every time the loop runs. For example, I++ means increase I by 1 after each round. Let's write a simple program together that prints numbers from 1 to 5. Here's the code. For int I equal to 1, I equal to int 5, I plus splash plus, system.out.println, number plus I. Now let me explain what this does. Java starts with I equal to 1. It checks, is I less than or equal to 5? If yes, it prints the number. Then it increases I by 1. It repeats this until I becomes 6, which is not less than or equal to 5, so it stops. Now question for you. What if we change the condition to I equal to 3? What will be printed? Think about it. Next question. What happens if we forget to add I++? Yes, that's right. The loop will never end and it will keep printing the same thing again and again. Let's take another example from daily life. Suppose we're packing 5 snack boxes. We can write
For int, box equals 1. We are starting with box number 1. Think of it like begin packing from box 1, box less than or equals to 5. Keep packing as long as the box number is 5 or less. So it will stop after packing box 5, box plus plus. After packing one box, add 1 to the box number. It becomes 2, then 3, then 4, and so on. Inside the loop, system.out.println packing snack box, hashtag plus box. This line prints a message like packing snack box. Packing snack box 2 up to box 5. What does it do? The code is repeating the task of packing 5 snack boxes one by one. It prints a message for each box number from 1 to 5 until number 5. Let's quickly revise. The 3 parts of a for loop are initialization, condition, and update. Initialization tells where to start. Condition tells when to stop. Update tells how to move forward. With these 3, we can repeat anything in Java.
Now your turn. Try writing a program that prints your name 4 times using a for loop. And if you want a small challenge, try printing the squares of numbers from 1 to 5. That means 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Alright, that's all for today. You've done a great job. We'll continue with while loops and do while loops in the next class. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious about how things work in programming. See you all soon.